Are you ready to get settled into this wonderful house that you will be proud to call home? Completed in September 2020, this LENNAR-built Hartford model offers 1,935 square feet of air-conditioned living space and has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a spacious open floor plan that features a large great room, eat-in kitchen with island and a dining room. The high ceilings coupled with the open floor plan create a living space that is both spacious and cozy at the same time. The Hartford has 3 bedrooms at the front of the house and the master is offset on the opposite side at the rear of the house, and the main living areas are centered between the 2 sleeping areas. The carpeted master bedroom measures 204 square feet and it features a large westerly facing window to capture your nightly sunsets. It also features an ensuite bathroom with a huge walk-in shower, 2 sinks, a separate room for the commode and an expansive walk-in closet. The spacious great room measures 14x23, features a ceiling fan and it has a commanding view overlooking the kitchen and the dining room. The chef's kitchen features stainless steel appliances, Silestone quartz counters, an island with seating for 4 persons, 42 solid wood cabinetry and a walk-in pantry. The dining room will comfortably host 8 persons and it features a double sliding doors to the large backyard surrounded by a 6 vinyl fence. Environmental comforts are ensured with a Carrier HVAC unit and a Culligan Water Softener System. Situated in Shell Cove, this new community offers a great neighborhood to grow and raise your family. The community amenities include a new clubhouse featuring a wellness center, a resort-style pool, open-air cabanas, a basketball half-court, a giant playground, and a dog park for our furry friends. Located within minutes of Bahia Beach, Apollo Beach, and I-75, this house is ideally located for those working and enjoying the saltwater lifestyle in the Greater Tampa Bay area. If you are ready to begin living your idyllic life, seize the day.